taste? Thank you. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
So today we are
Menu tasting for the wedding.
We are at Food Fanatics to test out some items from our menu. Really, I'm just here to eat food, but Gal is the real foodie.
Definitely.
In the meantime, we're gonna share with you guys what items we like and what you guys can expect for the menu at the wedding, and what exciting things we have planned for the week. So we're getting married one day, but it's like a 10-day itinerary with all of our friends, and we want to give you guys an idea of what to expect because it's gonna be so amazing. Like, we're so excited.
Cheese arancini here, nice and cheesy risotto balls. Then you've got like a little play on a toasted cheese sandwich with chili. It's very simple but very tasty. Tempura prawns, which is always the most favorite thing on any menu.
Yeah.
Then you've got your tuna ceviche, so just raw tuna chopped up, marinated, and cooked with your lime, a little bit of chili, ginger, and it just gets served with like a little bit of a red cabbage pickle on top.
Wow.
Okay. Then you've got play on like a little chicken salad, a pompadour, and a nice. We do depending on what is in season, either like a mango salsa or pineapple salsa on top. You'll see it's really, really nice. It's got some goat's cheese parcels there with some glazed ginger on them. Also baked the phyllo parcels, very nice. And then a beef croquette with like a little salsa thing.
Amazing.
Yay, thank you.
Okay.
It looks so beautiful.
Yes,
Thank you.
have a taste and see what's your favorite. Yeah.
Cheers.
Okay, so we're in between courses.
It was so good.
So good.
Okay, day one. What are we doing?
Okay, so day one, we want people to arrive around February 28th.
Yeah, like a Thursday-ish, right?
Yeah, exactly. And we're thinking a games night.
Games night, day one. Bring everyone together. Have fun. Get to know each other. Friend groups come together.
Yeah, and we get really intense with games night, so it's gonna be like the perfect bonding experience because we want everyone to get to know each other for the week, and especially the wedding, because sometimes it can be awkward at a wedding when you don't know everyone, so.
So we don't know the exact order of the rest yet. It might depend on a few things, but here's a few things that we have planned.
So one of the things we have planned is
Going to see the penguins.
Golden Beach. Okay, ready for the starters. Is not only finishing his food, but he's finishing mine. This is like,
leftover food.
yeah, this is his fourth plate of salad.
There's so many good options, and we can't decide like the meat or the fish or like everything has been. Like this mozzarella is a local mozzarella. Everything here is like farm to table type thing. It's so good.
Okay, so we just finished the starters.
Unreal.
It's so good, guys. I can't wait.
It's gonna be amazing.
So the next thing on the week wedding plans is
Lion's Head.
Lion's
That's a big thing. Lion's Head hike. It's like the best hike ever. Not too hard, not too easy. Like anyone could do it, but there'll still be a little bit of a challenge, I feel like. Yeah.
Okay, so we just had the mains. We had the beef fillet and the springbok, and they were both incredible. I'm gonna let Gal explain to you what springbok is, so for those who've never tried it, you guys can get an idea.
The springbok is a South African animal. Actually, sports teams here are called the springboks. It's basically the national animal. And in terms of food, it's like just an unbelievable, tender red meat that is kind of gamey in a way, but not how you would think. You would mistake it almost for a beef fillet. Like, it's super light, super delicious, especially the one we tried here. And usually it's served with like a sweeter sauce, which is how they also did it here. So good. Our progress is slowed down.
I see.
I'm not the man I thought I was. Okay, so we're gonna be going to markets. Speaking of food, we're going to lots of amazing markets. Super like farmers markets, but also like gourmet chefs doing all kinds of foods on like a Saturday morning. Breakfast, lunches, like the best food, and like the coolest vibe. So get ready for markets.
So we just finished dessert.
I'm gonna go into a food coma. Literally, I couldn't finish it. I thought I could finish food.
Yeah, he can eat all amounts of food he goes home. So I'm excited for you guys to try it because we really only tested the food. We didn't even finish everything. Yeah. Anyway, super excited. They're really going to customize our menu for us, and they're going to customize just the whole setup and everything.
We're gonna have a midnight snack.
Yes, it's going to be awesome. We're so excited. We don't want to give too much away, but at the same time, maybe you'll forget it by then. And we're just excited.
Yeah, it's gonna be great.
Yeah, some other things to be excited for. The beaches in Cape Town are incredible. There's so many beaches. Definitely recommend going to the beaches. Wine tasting is going to be next level. The vineyards are incredible. The thing is we're ending it off with We Love Summer.
Yeah, it's my festival. We're gonna have backstage, VIP, everything fun, everything amazing, music from day to night. It's gonna be beautiful.
He's gonna spoil us. And some just really quick things. You don't want to go make this too long, but there is World of Birds where you let monkeys crawl on you, helicopter rides, Chapman's Peak,
Zip lining.
shark cage diving, cheetahs. You can't forget cheetahs and walking with elephants.
Anyway,
We're
there's
so
gonna
excited.
be so much fun stuff. There will be no way that you can do everything, and that's what's awesome.
Yeah, it's gonna be so fun.
We're excited.
We're
We're so
excited.
excited. We're excited to have you here. Thank
To
you
show
for
you
being
our
so
home.
willing to come all the way here. That means a lot. It's going to be amazing. And really, there's no pressure for you to come. Really, I understand it's a lot to ask, but it'll mean a lot to us if you can make it. Thank you for being willing.
Yeah, thanks guys.